Alright, hey guys, what is going on? It's me, Dog from the DG2 clan once again. We're on Hypixel with Wallaby, also from the DG2 clan. How's it going?
Going pretty good, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Nothing too bad, nothing like super exciting. But what I am excited about is playing Skywars now.
Let's go.
So, alright, so do you want to just do a random map?
Random map. You stay still.
I actually can't stay still. It's
Vibrating fighters. Vibrating fighters. No, I'm rushing 9.
I'm
not
rushing
about you.
I'm rushing Cannoneer. TNT jumping for life. I don't know about you. Oh, I'm going on discos too, you know.
Let's go, let's go.
But, oh my god.
Oh,
Did you die?
I got 2 fist kills and 1 win kill.
Okay,
And then you just come in with the sword and just clean up.
do you want me to just rush now then?
Do whatever you want, man. Just with this potions, there's drugs over here.
Do the what?
There's drugs over here. It's fine. Green edge.
Dude, I want some of those. On the pathway walking home from school, I found this I found a 5-piece split. I saw the best idea!
What? Oh yeah, we should so do that.
I think build a base.
No, we should build a base. You need to go double eco.
Yes.
Save all the boss.
Come fight me. This.
You 2v1, 3v1. Yeah, you got it. You did pretty. You took your bear in that.
Do you want to try to do that just once? That build a base thing?
Yeah.
Alright, so there's a
Double eco, double eco.
Double eco.
But don't use the wood to rush in. Use blocks in the 2 chests.
I'm gonna do some myth busting really quick. Can I get out of here or not?
Okay, guys, we'll cut back when players join.
We have friends.
Yay, we have friends.
Oh, one of our friends has got an Optifine cave. Too bad we're gonna have to kill our friends.
Right. 3, 2, 1. Teleport. Right. Now, over here.
Double eco. Watch out,
Double eco.
people. I'll tell you what kits these people go, because they might be rushing us. Okay, armor and knives. Yep, we have a rusher. I just knocked her into the void.
Yeah, people are coming from the other side. We have new teams.
We have mad children. I died.
Pillaring.
What is life? I dead? Oh, you can totally kill that disco guy.
John.
Alright, I don't know, that guy might shoot you. I don't know if he can, though. I think that Vaniel, I don't know. Okay.
Target locked.
Oh, no, behind you, behind. That was some pretty insane maneuvers right there. Okay, alright, well,
he just MLG. He probably thinks he's like MLG in top 5. Because there's an echo, maybe so true. It's like 1 leather helmet. It's like 69 armor points.
he didn't even have his water run.
He didn't? Maybe it's glitched. Is he coming back up into it?
Oh my god.
What's this? You got the brain damage music does.
Oh.
Empty bucket. Get out of here. Armor. Some of this stuff. Blocks. Alright, let's go. No one can see me. Come on, flash. Very slow flash. Oh man, which?
You're actually
I had a black wool skin. Imagine if I had a black wool skin.
How are you so good?
Oh, there goes my last block. Oh, I thought there was carpet here. There's. Oh, yo. Do you like my design?
Yes.
Okay. This is how to build a base, how to Minecraft.
How to build a base?
Today.
How they get off? I mean, the only way they can get down is Ender Pearl or whatchamacallit, Water Bucket MLG 360 Quickscope, or they just place it down. Doesn't seem like anybody knows where you are, and it's a 1v1v1.
Okay.
I'd say build some walls up. Oh, you just placed me in a box.
I do a base challenge. Drive now for more content.
I like this.
Leave a like. Get subscribed.
If you fell off, I was gonna be so. No, what we should do, we should each go down one. And we should see who can build a cool base.
No competition though.
I know, it would be fun. No, don't block me in. No!
I'll leave you a hole, Be free.
Well, I'm in now. Ah, no. Doesn't matter. Oh, I'm stuck in
I
the
think
block.
you're mine.
Okay, I'm out.
1, 2,
Down. He's saying down.
What is it?
I don't think he knows where you are.
I need
He's looking.
equals.
He's looking.
He's
I
looking.
think he knows. He knows.
Is he targeted quiet?
Yeah, he knows. Oh,
Where is
he's
he?
got his bow. He's got his bow.
Oh, where is he? Where is he? What was that?
Did he hit you?
Yeah, he took one. Where is he? Where is he?
He's like, he's not where the water is.
Oh, I see him. I've had a chest and sleep.
Water. Is he? Oh, is he? Ah, he placed a lava bucket. Champion. Oh no.
Dude, I died. Dude, I'll probably die. I'll die before the dragons come.
You'll die from the
Well,
dragon.
I got a stone floor, so I'm good. Because I can prepare.
I'm just gonna say, you know that the lava's gonna pour. Actually, I don't know. It might pour inside.
This has got to be one of the most anticlimactic deaths ever. It's just slowly, just dripping.
Oh my god. This looks so retarded from my angle.
Oh no.
It just looks like a guy looking upwards. Alright, let's see how this plays out. Is it gonna work how I think it's gonna work? Yeah, it probably is. Oh, what is this? Holy tactics, Batman. Oh, I think it's safe. You just outskilled him.
Go. Oh, it's not safe, it's not safe, it's not safe, it's not safe, it's not safe.
Woo.
Yeah.
Alright, so...
So I got some nice. Do you like my windows? Do you like my windows?
Yeah. Alright, where is this guy?
Oh, I've never been so close to lava before. I'm not being.
Alright, oh, he's got TNT this time.
Dude, the lava's gonna protect me, isn't it?
Yeah, probably. Is he gonna wait for the? He's gonna wait for the lava.
I'm pretty sure fire tick might be disabled in Skywars. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's locked then.
Oh, one of them is burning from underneath.
Yeah, I'm a stone.
No, I mean like the wall, but
I know, I see it.
oh, it's spreading.
Spreading? Oh, bad.
No, it's fine. It's the wall. Alright, well, he's got TNT. There's nothing you can do about that.
Doesn't lava stop TNT?
Yeah. I think it acts as water, I think. Is he gonna try to drop TNT right on your head?
I think that might TNT might fall into that lava. Oh, he blocked off the lava. Really? Did he block off the lava?
Yeah.
I can't tell. He's just looking at me.
Alright, he's sending it down. He can't even light it.
Is he sneaking?
Yeah, he's sneaking. He doesn't know. Oh, now he knows. Okay, you're dead.
He knows too
When
much.
did he? He's stupid.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh, he put water down.
Dude, cobblestone generator. How was it? My
Alright,
brain
well, I
can't
don't get what he's doing, considering there's water there, and is trying to. Alright, you're probably dead.
Didn't he just blow himself up before?
Actually, no, you're not gonna be dead because it's gonna blow itself up. Actually, okay, that one lava might do something. No, it didn't. Okay, well,
Base.
he's pretty.
The base. Dude, indestructible base. That's the title right there. Dude, the indestructible base.
Sudden death.
Please.
What are you gonna do now? Oh, he's coming down, he's coming down, he's coming down.
He is?
Yeah, in the water stream. Make a hole, and build out. Oh, he's breaking in.
Oh no! Whoa, what are these rats?
Oh my. You won! No! No! You won! Okay, do you want to try that one more time?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I can't believe you won.
Dude,
Oh,
the
I
invincible
really
base
want to do
strat.
that
Look
one more
away.
time.
Oh my god. The invincible base strat.
Oh.
This is the next.
Okay, so
this is
double
the next.
eco.
Yeah, double eco.
Don't
you
rush,
can
don't
block.
rush. Just be prepared in case the other people try to rush.
Okay, and we'll cut right back until people join.
Yep. Alright, we're back. And we've got a YouTuber! What?
We got a kill.
By Mr. Zelic.
Dude, if we use the invincible trap against this guy, we know we're good. We know that we're good. OMG, it's an unnicked. Dude, if he's playing teams, there's probably another YouTuber in here. Because why would a normal YouTuber just play
Yeah, true.
solo teams?
Okay, you still want to do the trap?
Yeah, why not?
Not the trap, Alright, you build over. I'll get this last chest quickly. Do 32 blocks. That's going to make such a huge difference. It actually is.
Okay, do you want to come down and block off a wall source in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I'll start extending.
Select the carpet. Tricky, bro.
Okay, we're good boys.
I'm turning all my walls into blocks. Okay, I got back. Yo, this kid's trying to copy the strats. Oh, he just stopped. Well, that's the end of him.
Okay, so is that a big enough base, do you think?
Yeah. Can you toss me in one carpet?
One carpet?
Why? You gave me 3. You can have the rest. I don't need them.
Yeah.
Do you see that over there?
The lava.
Yeah, it's like 1 pixel.
I know, it's...
Dude, why are so many people copying the strats?
Oh my god! How's it going over there?
We had... You been built over? Wait, is that the YouTuber? Wait, how's the YouTuber going? That's the one he kills it.
Give them as soon as you say it.
Hi, Mr. Zelic.
Dude, that's gonna be a clickbait title for the video. Nah, I'm not that. I won't dog the boys.
It's not rotationally symmetric. It's pretty true.
What?
It's not circular.
What do you mean? Oh, I'm sorry.
It needs to go on the middle.
Okay, so what we're gonna do? We're gonna make a second story.
Oh, you're alive. I still have like a stack of them.
So right here. 1, 2, 3. Actually, no. Oh! For the roof, I'm gonna make slabs.
Why?
Because it'll be more efficient.
Efficiency pressure?
Because you make 6 and it's just as good. Wait, did they both die?
Yeah. Build. Oh. I got you.
Thank you, my boy.
I'm just chilling here. These guys are doing
Okay, do you want to build the second layer, or do you want me to?
I don't want to mess up your good design, so I'm just gonna supply wood, I guess. What's this? What's this?
Well, that's sort of the design I was going for, but like, do you have any more wood?
I like stacks of 32.
Could I have some of this box?
I love it.
He's dead, he's almost dead! We killed him.
We killed the guy who killed the YouTuber.
Oh, I feel so special.
I get like no armor.
Okay, you can have the boots if you want.
No, you keep them there.
Yeah.
Tunic defenders and stuff.
There.
Ooh.
I don't know what I'm doing. I just like the building.
Okay. We gotta preserve infinite resources.
We still have a stack of blocks. Okay.
Do you want to build up the walls or?
Oh, help me. You're a good builder. I guess we can do like that.
Oh, I have an idea.
I'm gonna. Oh, do you want me to place a water bucket?
Right now. I'll pull the roof like this.
Okay. How many blocks do you have?
9, 8, 7.
Okay, actually destroy it and make slabs. Okay. Do you know why we make slabs?
It's like 0.67 times more efficient or something.
But yeah, you get the point.
I don't math. It's like 6 divided by 4 divided by 3. 6 something. 0.67 something. I don't math.
Well, that's good. Alright, if we have torches, this base would be pretty sick.
Torches?
Actually, I swear I saw part of all those. 'Cause yeah, I don't think he knows where we are.
The last guy.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, he's
got TNT. Get down to the second layer. Wait a minute. Alright, I think there's dog on the boys with TNT. What I'm gonna do?
Look at the water.
Alright.
World. Oh.
That. Alright. I don't. Okay, I blew up. Wait, you died?
Oh, God.
Oh, damn. Unlucky. Alright, that's pretty sick. Alright, well, do you want to just do a regular match and then I think...
And end it off?
Yeah, I'd say. Alright, I'm going armor. I don't know about you.
Literally just clicked on that. You know what I love about this? You can like jump right into the hole.
Just snapped.
Bottle. Okay, might be.
Wait, what?
Not mid.
I was about to say. Alright, do you want to go kill him?
He's at that base.
I know.
Shot.
Hello. Oh, what? He's right there. Ha!
Okay, I'm coming. Where are you? You good?
Yeah, I killed that guy. I have pants for you.
Pants. I already got gold pants.
I've got iron pants.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Here's a bow and 7 arrows and a rod.
Ooh, Rob, easy photos.
Alright, we're gonna have to be careful going into this is every man for himself terror. Oh, this guy's on 6 health, this guy's on 6 health. Oh,
Should I burst that?
Oh, I'm probably dead.
Go silverfish! Go silverfish! Silverfish, get the kill!
Oh!
Dude, my silverfish nearly. Yes! The silverfish got a kill! Dude! My silverfish got a kill.
I don't know the names, but it sounds pretty great.
No, okay, you know that guy that was on 6 health? I was bow spamming him, I ran out arrows, but my silverfish finished him off.
Oh my god. Okay, well.
Yeah, this guy. Guys up here. Westman, I need you. Westman.
Run down.
I block clutched on the vine, but then he had shears and
For the boys! Oh, I died. I've assisted in a kill. Alright, let's go back to the lobby. Let's go on the lobby 42. I wish there was a 0 on the I wish there was a 0 on the end of the lobby 42. And only the true fans will understand. Alright. I'm back where we started. Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching this episode of Skywars. Well, not really episode, I mean just a video of Skywars. But, we'll hopefully see you guys in the next video. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye!